back with another video. This video is sponsored by Shein or Shein. I believe it's Shein, so I'm gonna go with Shein. They sent me some pieces and I kind of matched them up myself with the few pieces that I have in my closet already, and they are bomb for the lowest price. Their clothes look amazing. Like, the pieces that I have honestly are top notch. So I'm going to try them on for you guys. I hope you guys like them. Comment below and let me know if you like how I matched them up and what I threw with them. I'm going to have the link down below for all the clothing that I'm wearing, and you guys can click right away and purchase these same exact items and also find some new ones. I honestly prefer for you guys to read the reviews before purchasing any of the items. That's what I did, and it actually helps you a lot because some people say that something is running small, this one is running big, and based off some of the reviews, you know, you just weigh them out and give it a shot. I gave it a shot and they sent me 2 pieces and I'm so in love, like really in love. So I'm going to go right over to my closet, get them out for you guys, and I'm going to try everything on and hope you like it. So love this piece. Now this is a 2-piece that I got, so that was like the best of both worlds because this is a complete outfit and the quality of this is really good. Love how it's like a turtleneck. Too thick and it's not too thin. So right now I'm wearing a Shein turtleneck and I pieced it with a Rowi's leather skirt.